have discussed about exact differential equation definition and theorem based on it. Now in this video we are going to discuss sums based on exact differential equations. So what is the sum given here? Solve dy by dx equals to ax plus hy plus g by hx plus by plus f equals to 0. Now ax plus hy plus g into dx. Now we have to take it in the form of dx plus dy. So ax plus hy plus g into dx plus hx plus by plus f into dy equals to 0. This we are going to consider as equation 1. Here we are taking ax cross multiplying. Here ax plus hy plus g into dx plus hx plus by plus f into dy equals to 0. This we are taking in the form of mdx plus ndy equals to 0. In this form we are considering this equation. So here ax plus hy plus g into dx plus hx plus by plus f into dy equals to 0. This we are considering as equation 1. Now we are comparing this equation 1 with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Here we are comparing this equation 1 with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So what is m here? Ax plus hy plus g, comma n equals to hx plus by plus f. So now we have to partially derivate both m and n with respect to y and x. Then we get dou m by dou y equals to h. We have to differentiate this m with respect to y. Then what we will get here? Dou m by dou y equals to h. Next this n we are differentiating with respect to x. So dou n by dou x equals to h. Therefore dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. This both are equals. Dou m by dou y equals to h. Dou m by dou x equals to h. So if both are equal, then equation 1 is an exact differential equation. If both dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are equal, then we can say that the equation is exact differential equation. Both dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Both are equal only, we can say that the equation is exact differential equation. Then we can continue further steps. Now if it is not equal, if both are not equal, we can stop the sum up till here. So in this sum, this dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou y. Then now integrate m. We have to integrate m with respect to x, keeping y as constant. Y should be constant and m should be integrated with respect to x. Then integral m dx equals to, what is m here? Integral ax plus hy equal plus g into dx. Integration of ax, a constant. Integral of x dx equals to integral of x dx equals to x square by 2. So a into x square by 2 plus here x by constant. Integral of constant equals to constant into x. So plus h into xy plus g constant here into x. Therefore integral m dx equals to ax square by 2 plus hxy plus gx. Now integral n dy equals to, here x terms are not considered, only y terms we have to take. So integral n dy equals to, what is n here? hx plus by plus f. So integral n dy equals to, here we have to not consider x terms. So now integral of y dy equals to y square by 2. So b constant, b into y square by 2 plus constant into y, f into y. Therefore general solution is, what is general solution? Integral m dx plus n dy equals to c constant. That implies, what is integral m dx? ax square by 2 plus hxy plus gx plus what is integral n dy? by square by 2 plus fy equals to c. This is the general solution. Ax square by 2 plus hxy plus gx plus by square by 2 plus fy equals to c. Discuss one more problem. Solve sin x into cos y plus e power 2x dx plus cos x sin y plus tan y into dy equals to 0. So this given equation we should consider as equation 1. Now we have to compare this equation 1 with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Then what is m here? M equals to sin x into cos y plus e power 2x comma n equals to cos x sin y plus tan y. Then we have to partially differentiate this both m and n with respect to x and y. Now we have to partially derivate this m with respect to y. Dou m by dou y equals to, what is the differentiation of cos y? Minus sin y. So minus sin x into sin y. We have to differentiate with y with respect to y. Dou m by dou y equals to differentiation of cos y minus sin y. So then minus sin x into sin y. Now we have to differentiate this n with respect to x. Then dou n by dou x equals to differentiation of cos, again minus sin x into sin y as it is. Here we are taking sin x as it is, differentiation of cos minus sin. So then minus sin x into sin y. Here also we are taking differentiation of cos x minus sin x into sin y as it is. Therefore dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. So this both are equal. Therefore equation 1 is an exact differential equation. So here both are equal. Then we can say that equation 1 is an exact differential equation. Therefore equation 1 is an exact differential equation because dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Both are equal. Now integrate. Now what we have to do? We have to integrate. Now integrate m with respect to x, keeping y as constant. Now we have to integrate m with respect to x, keeping y as constant. Now integrate m with respect to x, keeping y as constant. Y terms we have to treat as constant terms. Now integral m dx equals to integral, what is m here? Sin x into cos y plus e power 2x. Integral m dx equals to, what is m here? Integral sin x into cos x plus e power 2x into dx. Now integration of sin x. Integration of sin x means integral of sin x dx equals to minus cos x. Since integration of sin x dx equals to minus cos x, minus cos x into cos y, constant here, into cos y plus here integration of e power 2x dx. Integration of e power 2x dx equals to e power 2x by 2. So integral of e power 2x dx equals to e power 2x by 2 plus e power 2x by 2. Therefore integral m dx equals to minus cos x into cos y plus e power 2x by 2. Here y we are treating as constant. So y constant, same here. Now integrate m with respect to y. Now we have to integrate m with respect to y, and x terms should not be considered. And x terms should not be considered. Here we have to integrate n with respect to y, and we have to not consider x terms. Then we get integral n dy equals to, what is n here? Integral cos x into sin y plus tan y into dy. So what is n here? Cos x into sin y plus tan y into dy. What we have to do here? We have to integrate n with respect to y, and we should not consider x terms. We should not consider x terms here. Only we should take y terms. Only we have to integrate with y terms only. Equals to integral of, here cos x is there, here x term is present, so we should not consider this term. This cos x into sin y we should not consider. Only we have to consider tan y. Cos x into sin y, it is in the form of multiplication, so we should not consider this. It is an x term, so we should not consider this term. Only we have to integrate only tan y term. So what is the formula for tan y? Tan y dy equals to log into secant y. Therefore integral n dy equals to, what is tan y integral of tan y dy? Log into secant y. Therefore general solution equals to, general solution is, general solution is integral m dx plus integral n dy equals to 0. That implies integral, what is the integral m dx? Minus cos x into cos y plus e power 2x by 2 plus, what is integral n dy? Log into secant y equals to c. Therefore general solution is integral m dx plus integral n dy equals to c. That implies, what is integral m dx? Minus cos x into cos y plus e power 2x by 2 plus, what is integral n dy? Log into secant y equals to c. So this is the solution.